Make sure you have the proper brush setup before you begin painting. The first thing you're going to need is a cup of water that's only filled halfway. I have seen enough spills to know that it is much easier to clean up a half a cup of water than it is a full cup of water. Also have yourself a paper towel folded in half, placed underneath, and ready to use if you are trying to dry off your brush. Cleaning watercolor paints are the easiest because you just, after using your color, you just swish it around in the water and it's clean. At the end of class, you just rinse it under the faucet and they're clean. Cleaning tempera paint is a little bit more, takes a little bit more work because it is thicker paint. After using the paint, you're not just going to swish it around in the water cup because that does not really clean all of it out, you'll notice. Instead, you're going to push it into the bottom of the cup and that's going to push most of the paint out. At the end of class, you're going to take all of your brushes that you used, not every brush that you have, but necessarily just the ones you used, and you're going to take them to the sink, and under the stream of water, you're just going to push very gently so that you are getting them, all the paint pushed out from inside of the bristles. There's one brush you cannot do that to, and that is called the liner brush. The liner brush does exactly that. It paints lines, and if you push that on the bottom of the sink, you can imagine how that will look after you do that, and it will not paint lines anymore. So take care of this delicate brush. This one you just rinse under the faucet with your finger like that, and it's good to go. The hardest paint to clean up is acrylic. Acrylic paint is permanent. It does not come out of clothes. It does not come out of brushes. It is permanent. So to clean it, the first thing you're going to do, especially in between colors at your table while you're painting, is push it in the bottom of the cup. Okay? And when you do that, you're pushing the paint out from inside of the bristles. That does not clean it completely. At the end of class, you're going to take it to the sink again, just like you did for the tempera, and in the stream of water you're going to push until the water runs clear. Okay, once the water runs clear, then it is completely brushed or cleaned out, and then you can put all your brushes away. The last thing to put, in order to put your brushes away, you need to clean out your water, and then you're going to store all of your brushes bristles up. If you store them down, then when you get it next time or next day, you'll notice that they'll all be bent, and you cannot paint with brushes that have a bend on them. They need to be nice and straight. So make sure that you put them in bristles up and then put them on your shelf, and they'll be waiting for you the next time you need to use them.